icebreaker. Each table has to build paper airplanes. And then they have to stand over here and try to hit the target. You have 5 times, you get to hit the target 5 times, and whoever gets the most points gets a little prize. So think about your strategy. How are you going to decide? Are you going to use all the airplanes or the boats? Are you going to use just one of them? What's your team strategy for getting the most points? Discuss this. What's your team strategy? So you as a team, you as a team have to decide what's the best way for you to get 5 points.